So how I'm staying engaged with customers is making sure we just do everything we can for them. So one is definitely following up with them. So we follow up to see how they're feeling, any sensitivity, pain, let them know that we can see and take care of if they do have those concerns. Email, definitely our newsletters, our weekly newsletters, our monthly newsletters, definitely want to stay in front of them. And one thing we initiated this past week is that we are going to be calling just our favorite patients, our VIP patients, to make sure that they're doing well. Just knowing nothing besides just our outreach, let them know we care. Say, hey, how you doing in the situation? You and your family fine. We're thinking about you. Looking forward to get back to a little bit more of us the times where it's not so crazy and we can see you again. And just doing that to build some goodwill and be a little bit different from other dental practices. You should give that a try. Actually, I think it works pretty well.